सर्दी है, you should not go out. Okay, already we have done our helpers. Who is helper? Helper helps us. We can't do every work with ourselves. Suppose आपको पढ़ाना है, who teaches you? A teacher teaches you. If you are sick, who treats you? A doctor treats you. Already we have done that. और यदि if a thief steals something from the shop, उसने चोरी कर ली, तो who catch the thief? A policeman catch the thief. Already we have done. So let's revise. Already we have done. It's a postman. Deliver the letter. Or courier man deliver the parcel and letter. And a policeman catch the thief. A cook delicious food for us. And a cobbler repair our shoes, make our shoes, mend our shoes. Cobbler mend our shoes. Is that? He is a cobbler. A farmer. क्या करता है? What the farmer do? Crops उगाता है. Where? In the farms. बड़ी बड़ी खेतों में हमारे लिए grains, pulses, rice सब उगाता है. Vegetables, fruits. Okay? So he is a farmer. See, without their help, we are nothing. हमको सभी की जरूरत पड़ती है. ये सब काम we can't do ourselves. अकेले नहीं कर सकते ना. हम पुलिसमैन, हम कॉबलर, हम डॉक्टर नहीं बन सकते. एक साथ सारी चीजें. So different people helps us in different ways. A teacher. A teacher teaches you good things. Now, a doctor. And what the doctor do? Doctor treats the sick people. और आजकल कोरोना में तो बहुत डॉक्टर्स को केयर करनी पड़ती है. Isn't? कोरोना में तो डॉक्टर आर टेकिंग लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू चेक द पेशेंट्स. उनको बहुत टाइम लग रहा है आजकल. डेली उनके पास अलग अलग पेशेंट्स आते हैं. सो वी शुड रिस्पेक्ट द आवर वॉरियर्स. नाउ ही इज अ वॉचमैन. What the watchman do? Watchman हमारी society में, they sit near the society and look after. No hawkers to allow in the society. नहीं आने देता. और watch करता है. यदि कोई आता है तो entry करवाता है. And you know, in our school we have watchman near our gate. So he also helps us in so many ways. Now who is it? See, this is the machine, sewing machine. He is a tailor. And what the tailor do? He stitch our clothes. जैसे कोई cloth है, it's a piece of big cloth. यदि बड़ा सा टुकड़ा है किसी क्लोथ का, जब तक उसको स्टिच नहीं करेंगे, if the tailor will not stitch that, they can give the shape. Shape means they can make the shirt, they can make the trouser, they can make the shorts, they can make the t-shirt. So बड़े वाले क्लोथ का, जैसे सपोज मैम का ये क्लोथ है, बिग क्लोथ है, इसका उससे वो मफरल बना दिया. He made a muffle. He can make something. He can make a hanky with this cloth. तो टेलर स्टिच our clothes. यदि नहीं बनाएगा तो we can't make. तो what we will wear? हम क्या पहनेंगे? So we should respect the tailor also. We pay the money to the tailor and tailor stitch our clothes. गर्ल्स की लहंगा बनाते हैं टेलर. बॉयज की सुंदर सुंदर अचकन बनाते हैं. हमने अचकन पढ़ा था. टेलर मेड दैट. Stitch the clothes. Okay.
He is a traffic policeman. and he is a community helper. He manages the road and help us to cross the road. And when the traffic light is not working, he controls the traffic from all four sides. They makes our life easy and peaceful. और जब हम रेड लाइट क्रॉस कर देते हैं, they find the charge. So we should follow the traffic rule and respect the traffic policeman. और जब आजकल कोरोना के कारण हम मास्क नहीं पहनते तो भी ये चार्ज करते हैं. व्हेन वी डोंट वियर द सीट बेल्ट तो भी ये चार्ज करते हैं. सो वी ऑल पीपल फॉलो द ट्रैफिक रूल्स and respect the traffic policeman.
This is mason, and you know what the mason do? He build the buildings for us. ये buildings बनाते हैं with the bricks, stones, make very big and small building. यदि ये घर नहीं बनाए तो where we will live? हम कहाँ रहेंगे? So we should also respect to mason. He is electrician. You know the meaning of electrician? Electrician fix the fans, lights, and he also repair our electric gadget like press, mixie. यदि खराब हो जाती है, where we goes? We goes to the electrician. He repair all these things. यदि खराब हो जाती है तो हमें इनके पास जाना पड़ता है. We can't do this work ourselves. गीजर खराब होता है, we call the electrician. So he also helps us. She is a nurse. Nurse also take care of sick people, and nurse is a community helper. Nurse help to the doctor to look after the patient. Nurse assist the doctor and obey the doctor. What the doctor give the instructions to her, उसी के according वो patients को medicines देती हैं. So we should.
He is a fireman. He is community helper. They keep us safe from the fire, and they always wear the special uniform, and that uniform protect them from the flames. आग की लपटों से उन्हें बचाती हैं. They use hoses and ladder. Hoses, ये जो बड़ा सा पाइप होता है उसमें lot of water comes out from that hoses. और ladder is used जब उन्हें किसी ऊपर जैसे 3rd floor 4th floor पे चढ़ना होता है. और जो फायर ब्रिगेड होती है, and there is a huge tank in the fire brigade. They carry water in that, और उसी water से ये कहीं पे भी आग बुझा देते हैं. And these firemen are very brave क्योंकि हमको सेव करते हैं.
This is sweeper. And you know what does the sweeper do? He clean all the roads. And sweeper is a community helper. He collect all the garbage on one area and throw that in the big dustbin. So we should respect the sweeper. In the corona period, they always help us. They are warriors. So we should respect them.